Well, hello YouTube. So this is Notcho Libre. This is my Project 86 Mustang Coupe. I built this car in about 3 months in 2018. It's all 88 GT underneath. It's junkyard rescue, as was the donor car. So what I'm working on today is I'm basically starting to strip her back so that I can put Holley Terminator X EFI fuel injection on this thing, replacing the original 1988 270 some odd zillion mile 88 EFI fuel injection and tuning by gas. So we're in the middle of just kind of initially taking the thing apart right now, getting some of the EFI stuff out of there. So if you just follow me over here, and then we can kind of just take a look inside as to where we're at. You can see I've taken the seat out here and I got the kick panel out, and you can tell I've already removed the ECM and various other little sundry plugs and relays and junk down there that are, you know, the original stuff. So I've also started to work my way in from the corners. I think that's a sensible way to kind of strip the wiring back. Since I put the wiring in this thing, I kind of know what went where and how to get it out. But what I did in the engine bay is I'm starting at the corner over here where the battery is, and I'm working my way in from that corner because there's a couple of basic connections that for the EFI up there. There's a master ground, a ground at the battery terminal, and then a power that goes to the battery there. What I'm about to do next is I'm going to start stripping back the harness in the back corner over there. I basically made the 88 EFI standalone, so there's actually very few wires connected to make that work. But what I did was I've still got to pull the coil and tack wires and stuff like that out of that harness that's over there next to the shock tower, because that stuff's going to be needed, of course, to be running independently to work with the Terminator X. Then what I'll do is I'll kind of work my way around the back of the engine bay here until I can get all the injection harness stuff off, and I'll probably have to pull the upper manifold off to get the plugs off the injectors and to replace the sensors and stuff that are all sort of embedded in the lower manifold and in the heater pipe. So that's sort of where we're going to go. I'll kind of hold off here and sort of get some work done, and then we'll come back and we'll sort of review how it went for me. So take care.